Happy April Fool's Day, Read 180 students. I'm going to go through our lesson today for Wednesday, April 1st, and it is our second day of Workshop 3, which we're focusing on dystopia. So going in through Google Classroom, hopefully you've already are in there, going into the class that you want to be in, okay, and going to classwork, and going down to the lessons. And so we're on Wednesday again. And I'm going to open up that slideshow and listen to the video here. So you can follow along or you can just do the video. Again, our learning target is I can use vocabulary about a topic and think deeply about concepts to come up with related examples. And this is context area vocabulary, so it's all kinds of words that you're going to need to understand dystopia when we read about it. We're on page 128 and 129 in your real book, so you can follow along on here on the slides or on your paper pencil packet. And we're going to first look at page 128 with the concept map, which is just that graphic organizer with conformity in the middle. So conformity is when people go along with the crowd. And as you fill out this, I want you to think about when are some times you know that people do or you do go along with what everyone else is doing. Like, for example, following rules. Sometimes you may not always agree with them, but you follow them because others are. You know that's what you're supposed to do. Even greeting, saying hi, goodbye. You may not always want to do that, but you know that's what you're supposed to do. Okay. Fashion or trends are things that people conform to. So, for example, a lot of you know scrunchies are a fashion trend right now, or I hear you talk about Gucci. It can be also just things that are trendy, like a couple years ago slime was a big trend around school. Also just when majority wins, when we vote and we know what we go along with what everyone else decides. Okay? Joining an activity because everyone else is in it, or sometimes the opposite, quitting an activity because no one else is in it. Sometimes conformity can be very negative, like peer pressure or bullying. Okay, so now just you can pause me or take a second to fill out those last 5 bubbles on your concept map, but I'm going to continue right along here. Okay, you will notice that here are some other examples from the book. Okay. And now we're going to go to page 129, our context area vocabulary. So we have 6 new words. I'm going to read them. You rate them. Go ahead and pause if you need to after I say each word. Our first word is civic. Go ahead and rate it. Generation. Liberty. Lottery. Official. And ritual is our last word. Reminder, the ratings are 1, I don't know. 2, I've seen or heard it before. 3, I think I know the word. 4, I know it and use it. And those are up in that top right corner again if you need it. Okay, look up in that gray box. Okay. Next, you're going to complete each meaning, which I have here on the next slide. So you're going to fill in the meaning. I have the answers you need underlined right in here on the left side, and they're in bold. And then complete your sentence. Don't forget, each sentence needs to end in punctuation. So those are the things you're going to complete for today. Once you're done, you're going to submit it to the assignments piece on Google Classroom. So quick reminder, it will look like this. When you get there, you're going to go to the assignments. Wednesday. Okay. You can upload right here and just add the attachment if you take a picture. Go back down, or you can open a Notability if you select here and complete it that way. You totally can decide, and I'll look forward to seeing your work. Okay. Hope you're having a great day. Miss you guys. Love ya. Bye.